What's up, y'all? It's Wednesday. I thought I'd give y'all an update since it's been a minute since I posted last. But here's what we got for the stand that I've been working on. I solved the problem of this piece here falling down by just welding a little something in there. So now I don't have that problem anymore. And then this tightens on that, and it won't go anywhere. I can raise it up about 2.5 feet probably. Just slide out of the way. And then this is another piece that goes inside, so it's kind of like a telescoping rod. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a series of attachments using this size metal that will fit right over the top. So I can have a piece of angle iron to put pipe on, or maybe like a vice grip attachment or something like that. So this should go up about as high as like 5 feet or so. And then what I'm also going to have to do is I'm going to have to put another one of these on here, obviously, to keep it down. And then with the base, this is what the base looks like. I welded some sheet metal on here so it's nice and sturdy. I used a combination of 6011 and 6013. I like 6013 for the like horizontal and flat welds because it's less aggressive, and then the 6011 for the vertical welds because it really just kind of cuts in there and you can move fast with it. But yeah, it's pretty gnarly right now. I'm gonna clean it up and take all the sharp edges off of it to make it as slice your hand up proof, which I did yesterday. And then probably hit it. I don't need to look super pretty or whatever, but I thought I'd make it look nice, and so I'll probably hit it with the this thing right here, and then just give it a coat of, man, I found a full can of spray paint at the Goodwill bins, so I'll probably just hit it with some gray spray paint. But yeah, I'll clean it up real good and then show y'all what it looks like after that. Okay, so here is the base right here. Edges are all cleaned up, so it won't cut the shit out of me when I go to pick it up. And then, so here's the top where it screws in. And then here are the two telescoping rods, I guess you would say. They're still wet, but here's how they look out. I put the same kind of situation on this one, so it will just tighten. And then this here is the beginning of my next project, which is the trailer hitch cargo situation. Somebody is mowing their lawn in the pouring rain, which is an interesting decision. But this will go into the trailer hitch. Here's where the little rod goes through to lock it in place, and then this will come off. I'll probably shorten it a bit because it's like almost 4 feet right now. I'll probably drop it down to about 3 feet, so I'll cut it about here, and then it will be the main support beam for the cargo hitch, which I will eventually put the generator on. So it's got to be really sturdy because that thing probably weighs, I don't know, maybe 150, 200 pounds. But that's it for today. I'll probably finish up that shit tomorrow and then start work on this. Peace.